ANGO stock analysis. This is tomorrow, Wednesday, and onward. Is it a buy or a sell? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So, AngioDynamics is interesting. I mean, 2% up is, well, meh, but let me look at it from a broader picture. Generally speaking, it did follow this demand zone kind of play, which I actually am a big fan. But what I'm not gonna do is randomly get involved, right? I like that confirmation and just pull down, but only if there's like another break as such is this really gonna be a buy. Other than that, everything else is gonna be noise, and all I will keep doing in the meantime is I'll keep waiting. So let me know what is your opinion on ANGO, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free sauce. Other than that, it's all pure noise. So yeah, that's how ANGO is looking like. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.